Hi, Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things beauty and more. Are you looking for an affordable eyeshadow palette? Today I have my top 5 favorite affordable eyeshadow palettes to show you. So with that said, we'll get started. Now we're going to make this quick. This is going to be a short video, so we'll go ahead and get started. And my 5th eyeshadow palette that I love is the Love in London, and this is by BH Cosmetics. Again, it's called Love in London. And this is a 16 color shadow palette, and this has an array of colors in it, and they are both matte and glitter, as you can see, or shimmery. And it has some blues in there. I love it because it has the blues and it has the purplish pinks and it has the dark colors, and then it still has the browns and some yellows and some really neutral colors. So I just love this eyeshadow palette, and it goes on smoothly like butter, and they don't fall out. There's not a lot of fallout with this shadow, so I do love the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, and this is my number 5 favorite. And I can't remember how much this one was. I want to say around $20, but again, you get 16 eyeshadows with that one. And then my number 4 favorite is the Paranova eyeshadow palette, and that is this one here. And I love this one because it has pretty colors in it. And this one actually has the neutrals in there, and it has the gold shimmer, and it has a pink shimmer and a rose shimmer, and then you have the yellow, and you can make several different looks with these colors. So I just love this little eyeshadow palette. And again, goes on buttery smooth, and there's no fallout with it. So I do love this eyeshadow palette, and they have lots of pigment, and that's one thing I like my eyeshadows to have, is a lot of pigment. I don't like to have to put on and put on and put on. I like to be able to put mine on and have a lot of pigment without having to put it on 3 and 4 times. My 3rd favorite eyeshadow palette, and the Paranova, I can't tell you exactly how much that was because that actually came in one of my Ipsy Glam bags. But I will look that up and I will post it down below for you. And then my 3rd favorite is the Stone Cold Fox by ColourPop. This is a favorite matte eyeshadow palette of mine, a very favorite. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 eyeshadow colors. So as you can see, this one has 30 eyeshadow colors, and it just has an array of mattes and tans and browns, and it's got pinks and roses and all kinds of beautiful different colors in there of mattes and shimmers. So you can make a lot of different looks with this palette here. And again, these go on buttery smooth. There is a tiny bit of fallout with this palette, but still not a lot. There's not a lot of fallout with it. And this is one of my favorites, and this was around $30, I believe. But again, you get 30 eyeshadow colors in this palette. So Stone Cold Fox is a favorite of mine. And my number 2 favorite eyeshadow is the Kelsey Ballerina CoverGirl Exhibitionist liquid eyeshadows. And this one is one of my favorite colors here, and this is the Sparkly Boots. And again, this is a liquid shadow. And this just goes on so smooth, as you can see. And it's not really shimmery. It has just a subtle shimmer to it, but it's a beautiful subtle shimmer to it. So on someone with mature eyes like I have, it still looks really beautiful, even if you have mature eyes. But I absolutely love this CoverGirl Exhibitionist Kelsey Ballerina. And there are several different colors to choose from, but Sparkly Boots is my favorite. And my number 1 favorite simple, affordable eyeshadow palette. And I'm not sure about the Kelsey Ballerina, the price of that. I will also post that down below. I'll post the links to all these down below. And then my number one favorite is the Revlon. And this is the Revlon Cream Eyeshadow Palette. I use this one quite a bit, as I'm sure you've noticed in my videos. And this has 4 different colors in it. And it has the darker, and it has the pink, and then it has the purplish color, and then the neutral color. And I just love these. These spread so smoothly and creamy, and they go on easily, and they look beautiful on mature skin. And they're simple. I mean, they're just simple. It just takes just a few seconds to put them on, and you're done. None of all that 3 and 4 steps to putting your eyeshadow on, and all of that blending, and put in a color here and put in a color there and up here and up here and up there and blending all of it. It's just a simple 1 or 2 steps and you're done. And that's why I love this. And I can't remember how much this was, but it wasn't very much at all. Again, I'll list all these down below. So I'll have links to all of them down below. So those are my top 5 favorite, very affordable eyeshadow palettes of mine right now. And if you have any questions about any of them, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.